Welcome guys. We have a special one for you guys today. So we've been having a hard time with our lovely little professional Tascam DR-05x, and we are trying to find out if there are other solutions for getting the right amount of engine noise. Now you guys of course can comment down below and let us know what you think about the video, what you think is better, because what we've done is we've made it a GoPro Hero 9 with a very simple solution of this I want to call it an absurd condom, because it feels like that when you try and get it on the GoPro. I mean, let's try it out, right? Anyway, close enough, right? So, join us today as we go out and we test these back to back while they're recording at the exact same time. So we just got back from testing out this puppy bad boy. I was in Mexico for a week, so I apologize this video is a bit late, and I am very sunburned. So what can we say about the differences in the audio quality between the GoPro Hero 9 with a wind protection little muff thing, which I'm not sure where it is, but anyway, and the Tascam DR-05x. Now, obviously you can tell from the video, the GoPro Hero 9 is better for bumbling around town, a little bit of like cruising, maybe some country roads, and some general overtaking. But once you hit about 60-70 miles an hour, the wind protection just isn't enough and it cuts out too much. You can tell from the highway footage, whereas the Tascam, it just trucks on through and it really does well in the harder riding situations, because there is no wind if you keep it out and under the seat. The positioning is very important for that. So this one, typically speaking, will wrap it in a towel or something that will absorb the bumps, put it under the seat, that way it doesn't move around at all, and we leave the microphones exposed. That's how we get that audio. Now, we recorded both of these in the raw audio format and we didn't touch them at all. If you want to go into it after the fact, Premiere Pro has some very powerful audio tools. That's very important if you want to get the best, crispest thing you can. For your benefit, we didn't touch it just so you can tell the difference yourself. So with that, thank you very much for joining us here today. I hope you like what you see. Please like, comment, subscribe, what all everyone else says, or don't. You know, you do you, bro. It's cool. Later.